Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the air conditioning expansion valve on Mazda 3. The expansion valve is located behind the engine, just at the firewall. When you follow the AC lines, they will direct you exactly to the expansion valve. That's the expansion valve right there. First, we need to remove the two AC lines. They're held by one bolt, which is right there. That's the bolt. We need to remove the bolt and then pull out the AC lines. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the bolt out. Before we remove the AC lines, there is one bolt which is right there that's holding the AC lines from moving. We're going to remove that bolt and then we're going to pull out the AC lines. That's the two AC lines out of the expansion valve. Now I'll show you a closer view of the expansion valve. That's the expansion valve right there, and it's held by two bolts, which are right there. They're Allen key bolts. We're going to remove them and then we're going to pull out the expansion valve. That's the two bolts holding the expansion valve out. Now we're going to pull out the expansion valve. And that's the expansion valve out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. Before putting on the new expansion valve, make sure you replace all the O-rings on the pipes on the other side of the expansion valve and on this side of the expansion valve. After replacing the O-rings, make sure you lubricate them with oil before putting on the expansion valve. Now that all the O-rings are replaced and lubricated, that's the new expansion valve that I'm going to put back in its place. I'm going to put on the two bolts holding the expansion valve and tighten them, and then I'm going to put on the two AC lines. Now I'm going to put on the AC lines and put the bolt on that's holding them in place and tighten it, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.